So this is how my 3D skull turned out after I printed it. It shifted during the printing process, and as you can see, it created a huge line right in the middle of my print. So the whole print like shifted over a little bit to the left, as you can see. It also under extruded, and so it looks really crazy when you look it up close. Like you can tell that the spots in there, like right, you could just tell it's not very thick, very, very thin and under extruded. Here's some close-ups of that so you can see. So I filled the whole thing with Bondo. I covered the entire print with Bondo. It smells pretty bad. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area because it is strong. I filled the whole thing up with Bondo, filled it up, made sure all the lines, kind of smoothed out some of those bumps on the side. And then I sanded it, and then I primed it and painted it. When I primed it, I could tell that there's some still lines. You can see the print lines. And you can see that like the teeth still didn't look very good. So I covered it with some wood filler. So I did wood filler, covered the whole print again, sand it, and then I primed again with, this time I used a primer and filler primer. I'm gonna use a paintbrush to get into the details of those teeth. Sand it again, nice and smooth. You can see that ridge is almost gone. Print it with a finishing top coat, drilled a hole in the bottom, put my plan in, and I fixed my planner.